interrupted with the Taglibsharp module DLL blocking TagLib Project workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. For professional-grade Taglibsharp module maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Taglibsharp module, a popular .NET library for reading and writing metadata, ID3 tags, etc., in audio and video files. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of media managers and automated music organizers. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing the software from displaying artist or album info. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because Taglibsharp module DLL is a proprietary component linked to the TagLib Project system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Taglibsharp module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be aware that manual fixes for Taglibsharp module DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Taglibsharp module. If Taglibsharp module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.